Hello students of 6th standard. We are continuing with third chapter, that is nouns, gender. In the previous video we had learnt about what is gender and kinds of genders. We have learnt about masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. We had also learnt that how feminine gender can be made by adding ESS to the masculine gender. And we have also learned that how feminine gender has to be completely different from the masculine gender, where the word will be completely different. In this video we are going to learn about some compound words, and further we are going to learn about common gender and neuter gender also. So let us start with this portion. First, by adding another word to the feminine noun to make a compound word. To understand this, let us understand what is compound word. Compound word means a word made by combining two or more words. When you combine two different words and a new word is made, that is compound word. Let us take an example which is given in our textbook. First one, grandfather. How does the grandfather word came? It came by adding grand plus father, that is grandfather. Same way, grand plus mother, that makes grandmother. So, grandfather and grandmother are compound words which are made by adding two different words. Okay, now here I have written some of the compound words which are not given in your textbook. These are some extra to give you practice. First one, tooth plus brush. When we combine these two words, we make a new word, that is toothbrush. Same way, eco plus friendly. New word comes into existence, eco-friendly. Third one, house. House we know, हमारा घर. Fly we know, मक्खी. But when we add house plus fly, that makes house fly. यानी मक्खी की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. Next one, sea plus horse. Sea यानी समुंदर. Horse we know it's an animal. When you add these two words, it means seahorse. Now seahorse is a different marine creature. Okay, so by adding two different words, you are getting a new word which has a different meaning. Next one, fifth, silk plus worm, that is silkworm. Silk we know it is a very soft cloth. Worm we know it's a creature which crawls. But when we mix these together, we get a new word, that is silkworm, the worm which produces silk. Okay, here I have written other five. Wild plus cat. You have to try what it would be. Fire plus fighter. Try out what it would be. These you have to try yourself. Okay, school plus teacher. It would be. Next, shop plus keeper. Try it out yourself. 10th, birth plus day. It's your happy day, right? What it would be? Try it out. Now, these are also compound words, but we are making it some differently. Okay, these are extra. These are not given in your textbook. Just for your practice, I have written. Police plus man. The word would be policeman. What are we doing here? The other word you have to write yourself and you make it a new word yourself. Here what we have done, I have given you two words. You are making only the compound word. Here you are given one word, other word you have to write and make a compound word out of it. Okay. Second one, news plus what? Make a new compound word. Third, chess plus what? Make a new compound word. So like this you have to try with fourth, fifth and sixth also. River plus what? Now notice plus what? And ferry plus what? So try it out and write it in the notebook also. I am reading page number 17. Here see, a table is given. Masculine and feminine. Washerman, washerwoman. Now here the word washer remains the same. What are we doing? We are changing the noun man into woman. Next one, stepson, that becomes stepdaughter. Here the word steps remains the same. The later part, that is noun, changes. Next one, he goat, she goat. Landlord, land remains the same. The word lord changes into lady. Next one, milkman, milkmaid. Man servant, maid servant. Now servant remains the same. The word man changes to maid. Next one, peacock, peahen. Next one, grand uncle, grand aunt. He bear, she bear. Now we are given exercise C here. The question says, change the gender of the nouns in bold to their opposite gender and rewrite these sentences. Now in the sentences we have some bold nouns which you have to change it into opposite gender. If they are given feminine, change it into masculine. If they are given masculine, change it into feminine. The first one I have done for you with the sentence given here. The Prime Minister received the Queen at the airport. This is the sentence which is given in your textbook. We have to change the nouns which are given in bold. So in the textbook, Queen is given in bold. So this Queen has to be changed to the opposite gender. So for Queen it will be King. Let us see this. The Prime Minister received the King. Instead of Queen it would be King. Other remains the same at the airport. Second one, the woman is my uncle's aunt. The bold ones we have to change. The man, for woman it would be man, opposite gender. Is my uncle's aunt will be changed into aunt's uncle. Next one, the landlord asked the washerman to wash the clothes. The landlord. This is not given in bold, so we will not change it. The landlord asked the washerman is given, we will write washerwoman. Other things remains the same, to wash the clothes. Next one, my hostess was a kind shepherdess, said the Duchess. My host it will be was a kind shepherd, said the Duke. Instead of Duchess it would be Duke. Next one, the actor is a good dancer and singer too. The actress is a good dancer and singer too. From actor it would be actress. Okay, we are changing the opposite gender. Next one, my nephew has bought a mare. My nephew, here it is not given bold, so we are not going to change it into niece. Okay, it will be the same. My nephew has bought a horse instead of mare. Next one, the princess has never seen a white peahen. The princess had never seen a white peacock. Instead of peahen it would be peacock. Next one, the heroine went to London to meet the queen. The hero went to London to meet the king. From heroine it would be hero and from queen it would be king. We are changing into opposite gender. Ninth one, Ria owns a colt and a cow. Ria owns a filly and a bull instead of cow. 10th one, my mother is the only woman in the neighborhood who can write Urdu. My father, instead of mother it would be father, is the only man. Instead of woman it would be man. Other things remains the same. In the neighborhood who can write Urdu. This exercise you have to do in your CW. You have to write the sentence from the exercise and write down the answers below that. I am reading page number 17, below exercise C. Here are some words that have an entirely different form for their feminine genders. Masculine, hero, that is male actor. So feminine would be heroine. Second, widower, feminine, widow. Next one, lad. What is the meaning of lad? A young boy is known as lad. So the opposite of it, the feminine would be lass. Next one, king, queen, and bridegroom, bride. Now let us do exercise number D. Rewrite the following sentences using the right word. So what we have to do here, you have to choose the correct word and you have to write the sentence again. Okay, and this activity you have to do in your CW. Let us discuss. First one. Her grandmother took his shawl from the cupboard. Now you have to choose the right word. Is it grandfather or grandmother? How we will come to know which is the right one? We have to look at this word his. From his we will come to know whether it is grandfather or grandmother. Okay. Okay, so her grandfather took his shawl from the cupboard. Okay, for masculine it has to be his, and for that the answer is grandfather. The second one, father, mother lost his bag in the train. Now, which is the right word? We have to decide from this pronoun his. So it has to be the right word, father. Father lost his bag in the train. Third one, the man or woman. Which is the right one? We have to decide. The man or woman felt the loss of her dear husband. Her we will come to know. The sentence is talking about some feminine. Okay, and from here also we will come to know. Okay, so her means we are talking about the women. The woman felt the loss of her dear husband. Next one, the girl, boy saved her brother from falling down. From her, we will come to know the sentence is talking about some feminine. So, the answer is the girl. The girl saved her brother from falling down. Next one, his daughter-in-law or son-in-law was wearing a beautiful sari. Now, from the sentence, we will come to know that the daughter-in-law is only going to wear a sari. Okay, so answer is daughter-in-law. Now here in the exercise what I have done, I have picked the correct answer. But in notebook what you have to do? You have to copy the sentence from the textbook and write the whole sentence with the correct answer. So answer would be her grandfather. You don't have to write grandmother in the answer. Directly write the rest part of the sentence. Her grandfather took his shawl from the cupboard. Like this you have to do all the 5 sentences. Now below exercise number D. Common and neuter gender we are talking about. Common genders refers to either male or female. This we have learned in the previous video also. Words denoting some genders, common genders are, they have given a list on page number 18. I am going through all of them. Anchor, anchor can be a girl or a boy. Announcer, parent can be a mother or a father. Tutor, who is a tutor or private teacher who is teaching the students is a tutor. So tutor can be a male or a female. All these are examples of common gender. Next one, ward. Ward is used for child. Baby, girl, person, worker. Worker can be a male or a female. Reporter, again male reporter, female reporter. Next, footballer. Companion, who is companion? A person who stays with you for a long period of time. Okay, that is known as companion. Student, student can be a boy or a girl, again a common gender. Same for cousin also. Sportsman, friend, friend can be a boy also and a girl also. Next, composer. Who is composer? The person who writes the music is known as composer. Next one, orphan, volunteer, pupil. Pupil is used for student. So student can be a boy or a girl. So these are all examples of common gender. Next one, we often refer to pet animals and domestic animals like cat or a dog as he or she. This you have to keep in mind. And next one, words like actress, poetess, authoress are not used these days. We are using the same word for the males as well as for the females. Okay. We use words like actor, poet, author as the common gender. So for both the genders, for masculine gender and feminine gender, the same word goes. Next one, neuter gender refers to non-living things. They are neither male nor female. In the first video I had told you that neuter genders are those genders which are not alive. They are non-living things. Examples are given here: brake, chair, desk, egg, quilt, taxi, school, umbrella, kite and ink. These are all neuter gender. Exercise E. Tick the words which indicate neuter gender and circle those in common gender. Now here there is a list of 12 words. Out of 12 words you have to decide which is neuter gender and which is common gender. For neuter gender you will put a tick and for common gender you will circle the word. Okay. Now first one is poetess. Poetess is neuter gender or common gender? It is neither of it. It is feminine gender. Next one, goose. Goose means feminine gender. Third, heroine. Heroine is also feminine gender. Orphan. Now orphan is common gender. So what we have done? We have put a circle. Orphan can be a boy also and a girl also. Fifth one, all is a masculine gender. Sixth one, friend. Friend is a common gender. It can be a boy also, it can be a girl also. We have to circle this word. Next one, baby. Baby is also a common gender. Used for boy also as well as for girl also. Eighth one, reporter. We have just done all these examples. So put circle on reporter. Ninth one. Now ninth one is hospital. This is a neuter gender. It is neither masculine, neither feminine, neither common. It is neuter gender. The gender which is not alive is known as neuter gender. So you have to put a tick for this word. 10th one again, pillow is a neuter gender. Put tick for that. 11th, footballer. Footballer can be a boy, even girl play this game. Okay, and they are known as footballer. So this is a common gender. Put a circle for this. And 12th one is pencil. Pencil is a neuter gender. It is not alive, and that is the reason we are going to put tick for pencil. Now activity number F. Read the following sentences and state whether the words printed in bold are of feminine gender, masculine gender, neuter or common gender. Here are some sentences given. I am going to read first one. The battalion was given orders to attack the enemy. Now battalion is neuter gender. Okay, so the answer would be neuter gender. Battalion is a collective noun. Next one. The taxi was at the gate on time. Now word taxi is a neuter gender. It is neither feminine, neither masculine, neither common. Okay. Third one. The widower felt lonely in the big house. Now widower is a masculine gender. Widow would be feminine. Next one. The little boy looked after the gander well. Gander is masculine gender. Fifth one. The hunter saw a filly and was thrilled. Now filly is a feminine gender. Sixth one. The priestess offered special prayers for the flood victim. The word priestess is feminine gender. Next one. The tutor was very strict. Now the tutor is a common gender. Tutor can be a male or a female. And eighth one. My companion was a knowledgeable person. Again it is a common gender. For exercise F, you can refer to the table which is given on page number 16. We have list of masculine and feminine gender, so you can go through that and fill it up. So here we complete our third chapter, that is nouns, gender. In this video we had learnt about common gender, neuter gender, and we had learnt the sentences also along with the exercise. All the exercise you have to do in your CW as I have written on the board, and do write tables which are given on page number 16. We have 5 tables. On page number 16 we have 5 tables, and on page number 17 we have 2 tables regarding masculine gender and feminine gender. So this you have to write one time and learn it thoroughly.